Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below together with the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever my new videos are already out here on YouTube, okay? Cooking is the best way to a subscriber's heart. Ano daw? Yeah, I just invented that, guys. But you know that saying which goes something like that, diba? Meron, diba? Yeah. So today this video is obviously about cooking. I am not an expert, neither am I that bad in the kitchen. So let's do this. Are you looking for a better way or another way to enjoy your German sausage? Aside from merely frying or steaming them? Well, you're just gonna have to stay tuned to find out after this intro. Okay guys, this recipe, I call this cabbage sausage. I know it doesn't rhyme or even sounds good, but let's just call it that way, okay? Alright?
We will now prepare our ingredients. We have 3 garlic cloves, 1 medium onion chopped, 3 tomatoes sliced, 4 ounces of butter, 2 cups German sausage sliced into round pieces, 1 small head cabbage chopped, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And now let's go to the cooking part. In a frying pan or casserole, melt your butter over low heat. Saute garlic and onion. Add cabbage and cook over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Here you have to keep stirring to prevent it from sticking in the pan.
5 minutes later.
Add the tomatoes and sliced sausages and season with salt and pepper. Then let it simmer over low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the sausage is cooked. And now we have our cabbage sausage ready to be enjoyed for lunch or dinner. It makes about 8 servings, which is just right for your family or barkada.
There you have it guys. I hope I was able to help you with this recipe. If you are still watching up to this point, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Now let's hit that like button, comment down your thoughts, and please share this video. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye.